going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a treat for me and you as well. That's right, we've got some Black Widow mufflers. They actually sent this little banner and this little bag. I did not ask for that, but they sent it with them, so thank you for that. But I've got me some Race Venoms. So I've been going back and forth with my mufflers for probably 6 months now. You can kind of see back there in the corner next to the chairs, I've got like 3 different types of mufflers that I've tried, and none of them really, I mean, they're okay, but I'm not a big fan of how they sound, so these I definitely am going to like. So it's not going to take too much to put them on, so yeah, it's probably going to be a quick little video, but let's get to it. I have done this more times than I'm proud to admit, so should be pretty quick. Oh, I did have the wrong stuff. Hold up. Yep. And I spent so long looking for the tools I needed, and it's not even right. Alright. I forgot these are about the only things on this car that are metric. Break it open first. Get this out. All right, now this thing's actually going to the shop here soon, to the body shop, to get that quarter panel fixed. So this exhaust is still temporary, but it'll do for now. All right, slide this out, maybe. Okay. All right. I'll tell you what, these mufflers are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. They should still be fine though, but I don't know, I wasn't getting the right sound I wanted, so might as well mix it up. Alright. Ah, that is solid. Okay. On to the other side. Alright, next side. Saw how easy the other side was. So this should be pretty fine. So, as you can see, currently I just have it running straight out the back. That is going to change. Like I said, I'm taking it to a body shop here in the next couple weeks, so I'm going to see if they can add, because my problem right now is this front pipe that goes through the cross member on that side. It's not straight back, it actually angles outward a little bit, and because of that I can't do what I want, which is put an X pipe or an H pipe, I'm not sure yet, put that in the middle and then run it out
thinking 2 to this side. This is passenger sided. So, but I can't do any of that right now. So, get that X pipe in there after getting the exhaust fixed. Hopefully they could just bend it. I really have no idea. But yeah, after that, then I can actually complete out what I want to do with this. But the Black Widows will give it a good sound for the time being. All right, new one in. All right, and just like that, the install is complete.
So now, with the mufflers on, there's only one more thing we need to do before we are completely done. And to be honest, it's kind of bittersweet. And that is replacing the muffler stickers. Now, I really loved these Dynamax mufflers. They were, if you've ever seen my cinematic video, the mufflers I had on that, when you can hear the exhaust, and really, I really liked them. I unfortunately live in an apartment complex, so I am trying to keep it down a little bit. I still have the old setup, which I can always throw it back on, but I have nothing against these mufflers. Really liked them, but it's time for something new. So let's get them on. Alright, I came out here to an empty spot because I wanted to get a good clip of this thing running now. I obviously have heard it already, but it's awesome. I think you're going to like it. So here we go. This thing sounds amazing. I absolutely love it. From the back, it's almost straight pipe sound, but it's a little bit quieter, which is exactly what I was going for, because those last ones were very loud. So Black Widow hit it out of the park with these mufflers. I absolutely love these things. So these are going to be staying on for a long time. So, well, this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to go have some fun with it. But yeah, hopefully this kind of helps you out with figuring out what kind of mufflers you want. I 100% recommend these. So, and again, they're the Race Venoms. So, yeah, like, comment, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.